Bonjour, Kinamagin Ireland Indigenous, and welcome to this episode of Mystery Science Explorer. Today's episode, Intro to Spaceship Earth. Under normal circumstances, we would be found right about here in a classroom, not far off from the city limits of Mount Pleasant, Michigan. And while this map has definitely changed, this building's gone, there's a road here, the world continues to move forward in other ways too. Right now, we are moving at incredible speeds throughout our universe. So as we start to leave what is Mount Pleasant in Isabella County, in Michigan, the United States, North America, planet Earth, and we go further out, we begin to almost resemble a pale blue dot. We're part of a solar system. And there's more than just one solar system on the planet. And I'm using this model here. This is not an endorsement of the product, inferred or otherwise. Our sun is a yellow dwarf sun, and really our sun is a star. So when we look out at night, we're looking out at billions of other suns, some bigger, some smaller, some brighter, some dimmer, as their light travels light years to reach us. Close to the sun, we have Mercury, the closest planet to the sun. Stepping out a little further, Venus. Going out a little further, Earth. Mars. Those are our rocky planets, the interior. We see the stars that you might look above. Going out a little deeper. Saturn. Uranus. Neptune, Pluto, and even more. Earth. And we continue to know this space here, 100 astronomical units. Astronomical unit was the distance between Earth and the Sun. So if we were on this one, what about the two, from Earth, our night sky, and for millennia we have looked up in the sky and seen pictures, given them different names in the languages of the people that are studying them. Would be in Ojibwe, English, Some of these pictures being quite well known to you, some being a little different. And the purpose of this unit is to explore. And we're going to use the tool of mystery science. And on our spaceship Earth, we're going to look at sky patterns, Earth's rotation, how fast does the Earth spin, shadows, including who set the first clock, how can the sun tell you the season, why do the stars change with the seasons. You may notice at this time of year, we see the stars that very quickly that make up Orion, the hunter, moon phases in the lunar cycle, planets in the solar system, gravity, star brightness, and the night sky. How can you tell time at night? This will be a longer unit. It'll take us about 2.5 months, which will be the balance of the second quarter and the majority of the third quarter. If you have questions immediately about our solar system and space, it's a great opportunity to send emails to your teacher who can look some of these things up and see how we can add them into these units. As part of this unit, we'll have our mystery science material. We'll have some readings from Reading A to Z / Science A to Z. We may have videos that come from other sources, and we have our eyes. Look up at the night sky. See if you can identify different constellations, either in English or in Anishinaabemoan. It's an awesome unit, one that's pretty fun, and when the world becomes a more sane place, hopefully motivates you to take a visit to your local planetarium where you can see some really cool stuff that almost places you feeling like you're there. Well, I look forward to this unit. I hope you do too. I just wanted to show you what we're going to be covering next. And now we'll return to the Google Classroom for further content today. Bumapee.